So if writing a based on website, SEO title display by only for 60 characters and description will display by the 300 characters. Suppose if you come into any website, if you're searching for anything option, so that is only for like this. Any title will display how many characters? Only for 60 characters. If exceed by 60 characters, will writing for title, the display only for 60 characters. The title rule will be like this. Suppose you're writing for 65 character your title. Suppose after 57 character, your next character will be 8 characters. But the title display only for 57 characters. Why? Because they don't exceed by more than 62 characters. Less than 60 or exactly 60 character. When you commit any 60 character, any two will be remaining will be there. They display up to 62 characters. So, but in SEO title wise, they display only for 60 or below 60 characters. Suppose if exceed any 60 characters, will show you will be continue will be option like this. That is called still title will be there, but I'm display only for 60 characters. In coming to description, the description will showing for in a previous and new update is called previous they support by 160 character, now implemented by up to 300 characters. 300 characters. If any kind of latest update of SEO title and description, simple we can select by the SEO description character limit. The showing for 300 characters. The changing for December 2017. That time to this time. The lot of update will final will be called 300 characters. And description allocated by minimum 50 to 300 characters. Less than 50 is called short description. This is called error. Minimum 50 to 300 character writing for any website. If you are writing any pages or home page, any pages, title will be 60 characters, description will be 300 characters. Minimum writing for 52 and with 300 plus. Here is a question. So can I writing for more than 300 characters? What happened? The display only for 300 characters. If writing for more than 300 characters, they show for continue will be showing for dot dot dot. So that is called like this. In this year, will show will be like this. But each title description we writing for only title will be 60, description will be 300 characters update of 2019. This is your effect on your ranking your website on search results purpose. Each title description writing for minimum 40 to 50 keywords.